We're now right on top of the waterfall. Oh, this is so cool. Check that out. Once you park your car, you will hear the water, which is over that way. You've got picnic spots around here. To be honest, even if it's a hot day, maybe bring a jacket. It's actually quite fresh when you come in and watch your head. Things pop out of nowhere. Wow. This place is perfect if you ever wanted to check out the waterfall without doing the long hike through the bush. I know, especially in Australia on a hot day, you don't want to be walking around the long grass. So when you park here, it's only about 50 meters to the viewing platform. So you get a view like this. And then if you walk another 100, 200 meters, then you're actually on top of the waterfall. So perfect for people who don't do this often, or you're coming down with the family and you don't really want to put yourself in the actual outback, then this is a place to go. I think you need to give a shout out to the council who looks after and maintains everything here. So now we're on top of the waterfall, and I don't know where the edge is, so I'm going to stay well away. Feels a bit weird that you can go straight to the edge. I don't like that. So we're going to step well away. But unreal, feels very fresh up here. You just got to be careful when you walk on the wet rocks, because if you slip and fall, not too many people will hear you. There is some phone reception up here as well, so it's not all doom and gloom. Grab my shoes. And it's not too difficult to get here as well. I've seen a few videos where people hike to the bottom, but to be honest, I think the views on top is where you want to be. Now, as you enter the Carrington Waterfalls, you'll get to a stage where you can turn left or you turn right. We've turned right. Definitely gonna be walking through the bush here. The water here is unreal. It's fresh water. There's rocks along the bottom, so you don't feel like you're stepping on any dodgy mud or dirt. Nothing swimming around that's going to eat you. It's actually unreal. And if it's your first time to Australia and you're coming to see something like this, definitely check out the weather before you go. You don't want to go when it's too hot. I say anything over 33, 35 degrees might be a bit too hot. Definitely bring water. But also wear long socks if you can, especially when you come to places like this. You've got little insects, reptiles, snakes running and slithering around. They usually keep their distance as long as you keep yours. And the places are well maintained, as you can see here. But this is an awesome day trip to check out the wildlife and the nature and the scenery that Australia has to offer. Thank you for coming with us today. We're off to the treetops now to walk on top of the trees. I'll see you in the next video.